What's happening, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I got a fun one for you. If you're looking to make some money online, this one is going to be about eBay and how to use eBay. If you're new to eBay and listing products, or have some stuff at home and you're looking to sell your products or extra stuff you have at home and don't know how to use eBay, this is going to be a little tutorial for you. I got some stuff to list, so let's get right to it and I'll walk you through the process. Alright, so today I'm going to be listing the KFC fire logs. If you guys didn't see these, I believe they came out in 2018 or 2019.
As that was coming out of my mouth, I knew that it was wrong.
And they are a 11 herbs and spices chicken fried scented fire log. And I'm going to be putting this on eBay, so let's get to it. Alright, for step one, that is simple product photography. So we're literally just going to snap a quick couple photos of this guy. I do happen to have a white background. This is not necessary. Luckily, eBay has a editor where it will like crop any photo for you and put it on a white background. So I'll show you one with the white background and one without the white background and how to use the function on eBay. It's pretty simple. Snap a quick photo. So as you can clearly see, my photo isn't great here, so I'm just going to use this one right off the rip here, and then we will edit this with the eBay editor and see what it looks like. So we are going to come out of here, and I'm going to go to my eBay app. Now we are in the eBay app. I am going to go to my profile. I am going to go selling. I'm going to go list an item. Now I'm going to tell them what it is. This is the KFC fire log. So now I'm going to attach my photo. I'm going to click on the photo. eBay has a couple different functions, from editing to resizing. The one we want is in the middle here. It will remove the background. It will sense that that is our subject, and that will remove the background of the product for you. So now we're done with that. It's very important with eBay that you always make sure you list and say everything about the product. So this is the KFC fire log. It is new in package. Other restaurants, collectibles, new. It's really cool. eBay has AI descriptions, so we can write a description with AI here. And then for all of my eBay sales, I put all sales final. Hit done there. Pricing, we're going to turn off. This is shipping. We're going to do shipping. I do all my stuff with a flat rate. If you did know your package dimensions and stuff, you can enter that in there and that will automatically calculate your shipping rates. If not, you're going to hit the I don't know my package details. Then you're going to hit done here. You're going to come back out to shipping service. Select your shipping service. I do expedited tracked. And then enter how much you are going to charge your buyer. For me, it is going to be $5, $4.99. We are going to ship internationally, shipping service, same type of deal. We're going to go expedited parcel. How much we're going to charge the buyer? This one's international, so it's got to be a little more expensive. This one is $9.99. Hit done there. Now we have to do the pricing. So this is not an auction. I want to sell this. Has a buy now price. Do I want to accept offers? If you want to accept offers, you can allow a minimum. Allow offers. I'm not going to accept offers. My buy now price is $59.99. Hit done. Now we're going to scroll down to the bottom here. We're going to make sure all the information is correct. It's going to ask if you want to promote your listing. I promote my listings. It is essentially just giving you a higher chance of listing. They're going to take a little bit of cut when you sell your product. Not the end of the world, especially at 10%. That's a little bit like taxes here in BC. Taxes 12%, so not the end of the world again. And now we are going to go list your item. And I think I clicked fees there. Now we're going to go list your item. And boom, now my listing is live. And that is how you list items on eBay, guys. Like I was saying, it is super, super simple. I think this video is maybe like 5 to 6 minutes. It is really simple. And Now someone is essentially going to go through, they're going to buy that item off eBay. eBay is going to tell me it's sold. They're going to put my money on hold or put it directly into my account, depending on if you pre-qualified and sold stuff on eBay before. If not, they usually hold it for a little bit, and then it'll give you the option to buy the shipping label from your sale there. Super easy. eBay will walk you through the process on your order confirmation as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. If this was a useful video, please let me know. If you like more like this, make sure to let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch you in the next one.